Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download shaders in Minecraft Bedrock for Nintendo Switch. All right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you the official way. So first up, make sure that you have a Microsoft account and you are logged in. Okay, just like this one right here. Make sure that you're logged in. And once done, go ahead over to Marketplace. Tap on it. And then after that, you go ahead and scroll down. Okay. From the Marketplace home section, you'll be able to see, I think under best selling texture and mashups. Okay, you have here realism craft, okay, dark fantasy as well. You can just tap on one and then just make sure that you have enough Minecoin, or you go ahead and pay for this amount right here. So 398 pesos in dollars is $6.62. Okay, just tap on pay, download and install it, and once done, you'll have your shaders. And there you have it. That is how you download shaders in Minecraft Bedrock for Nintendo Switch. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.